Now welcome back. Let's have a recap of what we have done here so far. From here you have seen how we have entered for the first child. Now let me enter for the next child. This is the subject code. That's a class code. So I'm referring to the class by its code, and I'm referring to the subject by its code. This code means basic science and tech. Now the registration number for the next child is actually here, so I'm going to either type it in or copy from this place. I will paste it here, so that means I'm entering for the next child. Then this first CA, maybe it's called 10, second CA is called 10, then exam he had 40. So when I click on post score, you can see from this place again how the second child has his name and his record here. So that is how to do this. Now in case we have done for all the students and this 40 now maybe is a mistake, and I want to correct it, how do I go about it? I'm going to overwrite. I'm going to re-enter the score. This is the class code, this is the subject code for the first CA, this is the child's file number, that's registration number. For the first test is 10, second is 10, third CA they are not doing it in their school. Then exam, which was meant to be maybe 45, but mistakenly I typed in 40. I want to correct that error. I'm just going to type in 45. So when I repost this record, you can see from here that it will change the score. So that is how to edit a record that has been wrongly posted. So I can continue with the next child. When I come here and I highlight the subject code, I can come to this place, paste the subject code here, and then you type it directly or you paste it, whichever one is convenient for you. You select all these parameters and then you continue to type in the score as appropriate. I'm leaving third CA because they're not doing this in this school, and then I have this one 34 for exam, so I post this score. So when you scroll down, you will see that the 3 students that have been entered so far have their score in here. So I can do it for everybody in that class. If I'm entering for another subject, I'm going to use the same class code, but I'm going to use a different subject code this time around. Thank you. That's how to go about the entry of results on the cognitive end.